Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the tank safe. Turn off filters, heaters, and lights, and unplug any electrical gear. Next, assemble a dedicated bucket, siphon tube, dechlorinator, and a freshwater source at matching temperature. Start the siphon by hand or pump, aim for 10–25% water removal unless testing shows otherwise, and watch fish behavior as you go. This prevents shock. Once started, maintain steady flow and keep hands out of the substrate to avoid stirring up debris unnecessarily. With the siphon running, focus on extracting water and gently vacuuming the gravel to remove waste while preserving biofilm. You should not deep clean filter media. Instead, squeeze filter sponges in the removed tank water to avoid killing beneficial bacteria. Meanwhile, prepare replacement water. Adjust temperature and test pH so it closely matches the tank. Large differences cause stress. Once the desired volume is out, stop the siphon and wait briefly to let suspended particles settle. Before adding you refill the tank slowly using dechlorinated water, aiming to match temperature within 1 to 2 degrees so fish won't be shocked. Once full, plug in and restart the filter and heater, then observe flow and listen for unusual noises. Over the next 48 hours, monitor ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate levels to ensure the biological filter copes with the change. If fish gasp or appear lethargic, perform an immediate 1/4 water swap and remeasure parameters. This quick action often stabilizes conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.